Modern cars rely heavily on electronics, and without the right diagnostic tool, finding problems can be frustrating and expensive. Cheap OBD2 scanners often show limited data, miss advanced faults, or lack reset functions. That's why professional OBD2 scanners matter. They offer full system diagnostics, bi-directional control, reset services, and faster communication with modern vehicles. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best OBD2 scanners, powerful, reliable tools for DIY users and professionals alike. We analyzed features, compatibility, and real user feedback to build this list. Links are in the description for updated prices. Number 5. THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689BT. The THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689BT is a powerful global version OBD2 scanner built for modern vehicles. It supports CAN-FD and DOIP protocols, ensuring fast communication with newer car models. With bidirectional control and ECU coding capabilities, it allows active testing and advanced diagnostics. The scanner offers 34 reset functions covering oil, EPB, SAS, DPF, TPMS, and more. Bluetooth connectivity enables smooth wireless operation, while lifetime free updates add long-term value. A solid choice for users who want advanced features at a competitive price. Number 4. Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT PRO. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT PRO is a trusted diagnostic tool known for accuracy and reliability. It supports full system diagnostics, advanced service resets, and bidirectional control for active tests. Bluetooth connectivity provides flexible operation, while the fast processor ensures smooth performance. This scanner is compatible with a wide range of vehicles and is suitable for both DIY users and workshops. With Autel's strong software support and frequent updates, the MK808BT PRO delivers professional-level diagnostics in a user-friendly design. Number 3. FOXWELL GT60 OBD2 Scanner. The FOXWELL GT60 is a professional-grade OBD2 scanner offering full system diagnostics and 24 reset services. It features bidirectional control, allowing you to test components like injectors, fans, and actuators directly. Bluetooth support makes it easy to use wirelessly, while the clear interface provides fast fault detection. Designed for serious DIYers and mechanics, the GT60 supports a wide range of vehicles and delivers stable, accurate results. It's an excellent balance of advanced functionality and ease of use. Number 2. Launch CRP129X V2.0. The Launch CRP129X V2.0 is a popular DIY-friendly OBD2 scanner with strong core diagnostic features. It supports engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems, along with essential reset functions like oil, SAS, and EPB. The upgraded V2.0 version offers improved speed, wider vehicle compatibility, and auto VIN for quick identification. Easy to use yet powerful enough for real diagnostics, this scanner is ideal for car owners who want reliable performance without professional-level complexity. Number 1. KINGBOLEN S6 CAN-FD OBD2 Scanner. The KINGBOLEN S6 is the most advanced OBD2 scanner on this list, designed for modern vehicles and serious diagnostics. It supports CAN-FD protocol, full system scanning, and 28 reset services. With bidirectional control, auto VIN, Bluetooth connectivity, and lifetime free updates, it delivers excellent long-term value. Fast, accurate, and highly compatible, the S6 is perfect for workshops and advanced DIY users who want professional-level performance without recurring subscription costs. A good OBD2 scanner saves time, money, and guesswork. These 5 tools offer strong diagnostics, reset functions, and modern vehicle support for different needs and budgets. Whether you're a DIY car owner or a professional, there's a perfect scanner here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and subscribe for more smart auto tech reviews.